I am obsessed with the launch of STARFIELD, and this studio setup simply isn't going to cut it. Ugh. So, like the OCD ADHD kid that I am, I've been designing prototypes. Room 1. What do you guys think? Not too shabby. Took me about 8 hours to design. Room 2. Now, I was definitely getting better. 16 hours of design time later, and yeah, my wife was starting to look at me a little bit funny, but no. I'm a man on a mission. A space mission. So, 32 hours of design later, this is room 3. Glorious, isn't it? But I'm not satisfied. So, I went to bed, and that night, in my dreams, it came to me. A vision of space rock excellence. Not my house! Oh man! We know this is just a dream, right? So, now that my creative writing has come into full flourishing, I hope you were amused. Anyways, I've tasked my team to help me get ready for the launch of STARFIELD. Step 1. Find an obsessed Starfielder. Step 2. Build the sickest space-themed PC I could get my hands on. This is Alex from Asus. Thanks for hooking us up, homie. And step 3. Actually build the bomb-ass spaceship studio of my childhood dreams. Oh, wait a minute. There's another step. Step 4. As we always do here at Videotech, our ideas get a little bit out of hand. Now, the only way I'd know how to get this final step done was by calling in a few favors. Big favors. This is the only person that I could think of that could possibly help us pull this off. I'm sure he'll pick up. I'm South African. He's South African. He'll pick up. So after pitching our master plan and spending hours on the phone, I shit you not, I realized 2 things. 1, I don't have Elon's number. And 2, I can probably never call the Pizza Place again. Sorry guys. My apologies. My ADHD got us off track again. Focus. Back to the mission. Here's what we're working with. Our futuristic base of operations, the ROG Hyperion. Yeah! Wait till you see what we have in store for this PC case. Oh my goodness. We're adding an i9-3900K, which we're sticking inside of the ROG Strix Z790E gaming motherboard with some DDR5 RAM. And we're keeping it cool with the ROG Fusion 3360 AIO. As for the GPU, we're pairing it with the ROG Strix RTX 4080. And man, this thing is gonna be gorgeous! Now for powering this beast, I know what you're thinking. Rocket fuel. Amazon was out of stock. So we had to settle for the next best thing, the ROG Thor 1200 watt PSU. Now that's power. Wait a second. I feel something inside of me. Is that a comment brewing? Oh no! User 376462 said, why did you choose those parts? I would have chosen, and then he goes on to list the parts he wanted to use. I like these parts. These are cool parts. To all the real Videotech fans out there watching this video, the YouTube algorithm is watching. Now's your time. Supporters assemble. Please like and comment below. That would be great. That was a good time to do that. Thanks guys. Anyways, I'm having way too much fun with this video. Alex, why don't you tell the people why we chose these specific parts?
Hi guys, Alex from Asus here. So I'm going to tell you exactly why these parts are perfect for Stefan's Starfield build. So first up, we've got the ROG Hyperion hinge-sized panels that mimics the feel of a spaceship, and the built-in fan hub offers massive airflow possibilities and customizations. Also, if you buy the ROG Hyperion from 25 August to the 2nd of October, you can actually get a cashback reward from Asus. On that one specifically, you're looking at 813 Rand cashback. Then with the ROG Strix Z790-E, the translucent shrouds outline its RGB ignition panel, alluding to its ability to jump into light speed under the guidance of AI overclocking. Next up, we've got the ROG Strix GeForce RTX 4080. This will give us chart-topping thermal performance, allowing for the maximum frames at the highest quality graphics. Then the ROG Region 3 offers us instant monitoring of clock frequencies, voltages, temperatures, fan speeds and water flow on the industry-leading 3.5-inch LCD. Lastly, to wield the menacing power of our system in absolute stealth, we will use the ROG Thor 1200 watt Platinum 2 power supply. So guys, if you want to get your own powered by Asus system, head on over to the link in the description below and you will see that Woodware can even build the PC for you. Now back to the video.
And voila! This is the final product. Now for the design of the studio. I know this design was the best by far, but I think it needs just one more update. One more 30 something hours of updates. Leave your suggestions below. The studio build starts now, so the video drop will be later this week, and it would be sick if you could be part of the journey. Feel free to leave your design suggestions below. And Uncle Elon, if you're watching this video, let's get your people and my people talking. Let's figure something out. Building a PC in space sounds like a pretty cool YouTube video idea to me. Huh? What do you say? I bring the pizza, you bring the spaceship. I'll organize with Asus for the parts of the PC. Anyways, this was Stefan
And Alex.
at We Do Tech. Check you in the next video, the studio reveal video. Cheers.
Thank you.